Good evening po, Pangasinan Branch as of August 10, 2026. Base po sa DMA po namin. Ito po yung mga hindi pa po natapos. Bali, ongoing pa rin po sila. Wala pa po yung item ng iba. Day off po tomorrow is si Pamela. Pending na naiwan na ako. Customer order niya is ito po, 24444 and 24445. Bali, for printing pa po sila. Parcel for pick up po na bawas is dalawa from yesterday. Wala po nadagdag today. Sir, pending po namin is sila pa rin po. And due po siya ng August 13, 2026. Natapusin po ni Chris, Pamela, Paul, and Judy ng 5 p.m. DSR printed at 8:30 p.m. Issued receipt po namin is 5. Consumable use is 2 item, DTF and sublimation. Sa FB page po, meron po kami dalawang nasagutan. Key holder po for tomorrow is si Judy and si Chris. Ito po yung stock room namin. And ito po yung locker.